Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this phone boot gift container. In this, you all can add any gift that you all want to, from chocolate to any gift ideas like teddy bears or anything. So it has a door which we can open, and from there we can remove all the gifts. So it's very easy and a great idea. So let's get started. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys. Let's get started. So the materials which we need are, so first I'm going to take a 15 by 21 centimeters black paper, and on the 15 centimeter mark I'm going to mark at 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 13 centimeters and draw vertical line as shown. Similarly, on the 24 centimeter sheet, I'm going to draw at 3 centimeter and 19 centimeter and cut the inner part. Okay, it's 15 by 21 centimeter. So I've marked it at 3 centimeter and 19 centimeter. So I'm using a blade. You can use it or cut it using scissors also. If there are any rough parts, you can go ahead and cut them using scissors. Now I'm going to take black quilling strips. These are, I guess, the 1 centimeter ones, and I'm going to just attach them like this, horizontal and vertical line, to make the case pattern. So I'm just going to go ahead and randomly attach horizontal strips, and then I'm going to do the vertical one. If you want, you all can measure it and measure the distance and then glue it, but I'm just doing a random measurement. So now the vertical part. I'm gluing it on the horizontal lines also so that it does not come off and it stays better. So here this is, and the 1 centimeter. Now I'm going to attach a plain cellophane paper or a plastic sheet. I'm going to use sellotape to attach it off nicely on all the 4 sides. Now at the 1 centimeter mark, I'm going to score and fold it just like this. Now I've made 3 of such ones, and one I've made in which I'm not cut it, but just cut 3 parts to make a door pattern. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick all of them together using the folds which I had kept. You can use glue, you can use hot glue gun, you can use sellotape, whatever is preferable, you can use that. Make sure that it dries off easily, dries off nicely before you carry on. I'm attaching sellotape because it gives stability to it and chances of removal become less. So that's why I'm attaching sellotape. And lots of sellotape. For the fourth one, it won't be possible to apply sellotape, so you can use glue or you can use hot glue gun. Hot glue gun also works well, so just go ahead and stick that off also. Now I'm going to take a 24 by 24 centimeter sheet and mark at every 1 centimeter, and I'm going to do that for like 5 centimeters. So I'm going to have 5 lines of 1 centimeter each, and I'm going to do that on all the 4 sides of the paper, just like this. So now I'm going to cut this, but I'm going to cut 4 and 5 centimeter, as you can see. So I'm going to leave one edge on 2 alternate sides. You can see this. Please follow this one. It would be much better. And now I'm going to go ahead and score each of the lines. I'm going to score four lines in each of the on each of the side. I use scissors. If you all have a scoring tool, you all can just go ahead and fold it using that, or you all can use an empty pen also. So now I'm going to fold all of them like this and glue it using hot glue gun, and just go ahead and fold it and stick it. Do that for all the four sides. Guys, all are working with hot glue gun, so please be a bit careful. Don't try and do it without any adult supervision if you all are underage. If there's any excess, you all can cut it off. Now I'm done with all the four sides, as you can see. Now I've made the box. I've added some embellishments. I've added red paper to give it a look. Now I'm going to apply hot glue gun on all the four sides, and I'm going to attach it on the upper side of the phone boot, just as this, and I'm going to stick it firmly. Now I'm going to do this similar thing on the bottom. I've already done for this one, so you all can repeat the same. I've attached an handle and I've done the other things, and now our photo boot gift container is ready. So I hope you guys like this video. It's a very great idea and very simple to make actually. So if you guys like this, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.